How to install iOS 18 beta. Let's get started. iOS 18 public beta is finally here, available worldwide. Today I will show you how to install it and share some essential tips to ensure a smooth update. If you are registered as a public beta tester, you can access iOS 18 right now. The great news is that it supports all the devices that iOS 17 did, from the iPhone XS to the latest models. Now go ahead and launch your Safari browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in beta.apple.com and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in this page, scrolling down, you will see the option of sign up and sign in. Go ahead and click on the option of sign in. Now you'll need to provide Apple ID's credentials, type in the email address and then password and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now here you will find different device options. Select the device option where you want to download the beta version. Then you can scroll down. You will see this option over here, enroll your iOS device. Go ahead and click on that option. Before you download, archive your backup. Then make sure you have turned on beta updates. For that, you will need to close this and launch your settings. Now scroll down and click on the option of general. Navigate to the option of software update. Now click on the option of beta updates. Now check in for the option of iOS 18 public beta and then hit back. Now you can easily download iOS 18 public beta. Make sure you have enough storage. If you have enough storage, you can proceed for the installation process. As with any beta, expect some bugs and potential impacts on battery life. If you encounter any issues, use the feedback app to report them to Apple. Your feedback helps improve the software for everyone. So this way you can easily install iOS 18 public beta. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.